Fit MasterCard Review. If you're looking for a credit card that helps you build credit, earn rewards, and manage your finances without hidden surprises, the Fit MasterCard might be one of the first options to consider. But how does it actually work? And is it worth applying for? Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Fit MasterCard, its features, fees, rewards, and who it's really designed for. By the end of this review, y'all know if it's a good fit for your financial goals. What is the Fit MasterCard? The Fit MasterCard is a secured credit card designed for people who want to establish or rebuild their credit. Unlike traditional unsecured credit cards, secured cards require cash deposit as collateral, which usually sets your credit limit. The Fit MasterCard is marketed as an easy-use card for everyday purchases, offering some basic rewards and features while helping you build a positive credit history. Key features of the Fit MasterCard. 1. Secured card with flexible deposit. Your credit limit is tied to your security deposit, typically ranging from $200 to $500. Depending on the bank's requirements. This helps reduce risk for the issuer while allowing you to build or rebuild credit. 2. Credit reporting. The Fit MasterCard reports to all three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Responsible use, like paying your balance on time, can help improve your credit score over time. 3. Simple rewards program. Some versions of the card offer small rewards program. Typically around 1% cash back or points on everyday purchases. While not a high reward card, it's a bonus for someone who wants to earn a little back while building credit. 4. No minimum credit score required. The card is designed for people with limited or poor credit, so approval doesn't require a strong credit history. 5. Easy online account management. You can manage payments, track spending, and view statements online or via mobile apps. 6. Optional overdraft protection. Some Fit MasterCard accounts allow linking to a checking account for overdraft protection, although fees may apply. How the Fit MasterCard works. Making a deposit. When you apply, you'll be required to submit a refundable security deposit, which becomes your credit limit. For example, if you deposit $300, your card limit is $300. Using the card. You can use the card like any other MasterCard online, in store, or over the phone. Spending is limited to your credit line, helping you avoid overspending while learning responsible credit habits. Building credit. The key value of the Fit MasterCard is its credit reporting. By paying your balance in full each month and avoiding late payments, you demonstrate responsible credit behavior, which can increase your credit score over time. Transition to unsecured card. Some secured cards allow you to graduate to an unsecured card after demonstrating responsible use for a period of time, typically 12 to 18 months. This means your security deposit can be refunded and you may receive a higher credit limit. Benefits of the Fit MasterCard. 1. Credit building. The main advantage of the Fit MasterCard is that it gives you a way to establish or rebuild credit in a structured, safe manner. 2. Low barrier to entry. With no minimum credit score requirement, the card is accessible to those who have been denied traditional credit cards. 3. Cashback rewards. While limited, earning small rewards on everyday purchases is a nice bonus for responsible cardholders. 4. Full MasterCard benefits. Fit MasterCard carries standard MasterCard protections, including fraud monitoring and zero liability for unauthorized purchases. 5. Online account management. Easy access to statements and payment tools helps you stay on top of your finances. Who should consider the Fit MasterCard? People with limited or per credit looking to establish a positive credit history. Students for young adults who need a first credit card individuals who want a low risk secured card to control spending while learning credit habits. Anyone interested in small rewards while building credit. Although rewards are not the primary benefit, tips to maximize the Fit MasterCard 1. Keep your balance low aim to use less than 30% of your credit limit each month. If your limit is $300, try not to carry more than $90 at any time. This helps improve your credit utilization ratio, which is a major factor in your credit score. 2. Pay on time. Always pay